The headaches of an ill-maintained air conditioner. An ill-maintained air conditioner can lead to numerous headaches, both literally and figuratively. Here are some common issues and consequences. Health issues. Poor air quality. Dust, mold, and other allergens can accumulate in a neglected AC system, leading to respiratory problems and allergies. Headaches and fatigue. Poor air circulation and inconsistent temperatures can cause headaches and fatigue. Increased energy bills. Reduced efficiency. A dirty or malfunctioning AC has to work harder to cool your home, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility bills. Frequent breakdowns. Component wear and tear. Lack of regular maintenance can cause various components, such as fans, coils, and filters, to wear out or fail prematurely. Unexpected repairs. Breakdowns often occur during peak usage times, leading to inconvenient and costly emergency repairs. Decreased lifespan. System overload. Continuous operation under strain can shorten the lifespan of your air conditioner, necessitating an earlier than expected replacement. Poor performance. Inconsistent cooling. An ill-maintained AC may struggle to maintain a consistent temperature, resulting in hot and cold spots throughout your home. Noise. Unusual sounds such as grinding, squealing, or rattling can indicate mechanical issues due to neglect. Environmental impact. Increased emissions. An inefficient AC system can contribute to higher greenhouse gas emissions, impacting the environment. Prevention tips. Regular maintenance. Schedule annual professional inspections and cleanings. Filter replacement. Change filters every 1-3 months to ensure good air quality and system efficiency. Clear surroundings. Keep the area around your outdoor unit free of debris and vegetation to allow proper airflow. Monitor performance. Pay attention to changes in cooling performance, energy bills, and unusual noises to catch problems early. By maintaining your air conditioner properly, you can avoid these headaches and enjoy a comfortable, healthy, and cost-effective home environment.